Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling materials and making the basic cord. This establishes safety and function. Cut a 3M length of braided nylon, burn the ends slightly and tape to prevent fray. Tie one end to the dart head using a secure knot, figure 8 follow-through or loop-through with a swivel to allow rotation and reduce torsion. Once done, test the attachment gently. Make sure the connection holds without slipping, because a weak knot alters trajectory and risks damage during practice. Next, you refine balance and add control points to the cord so the rope dart behaves predictably. Slide a rubber stopper or a weighted bead about 0.5 to 1 m from the dart. This shortens effective swing radius and aids retrieval. Make a reinforced handle by wrapping 1/2 inch of tape and forming a wrist loop sized snugly to you. This prevents accidental release. Once finished, adjust stopper position while gently swinging. You want a smooth arc and consistent pivot because balance. Finally, you complete assembly and run functional tests to ensure safe operation. Trim any excess cord, melt and tape ends, then practice slow throws into an open space or soft target to observe arc and retrieval. After 10 to 20 throws, inspect knots, swivel and stopper. Tighten any loose knots, and replace damaged components. If the dart acts unpredictably, move the stopper 10 to 20 cm along the cord and remove twists. This fine-tuning corrects wobble because small balance changes dramatically affect flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.